में चिपका दिया ऐसे और सराय में देख रही हो डर रही है दीवार चूहा कैसे चढ़ गया।
यार ये सब ही करते थे, चूहा कॉकरोच। लेकिन अब एवर सिंस आई स्टार्टेड, ये बहुत पहले करता था व्हेन आई वाज नॉट। जब से मैं गर्लफ्रेंड बनी हूं मैं चिल्लाती हूं तो वो दौड़ के
जाता था मुझे
ऐसे करने लगता है, स्टॉप स्टैबिंग हिज फीट।
एक बार मैंने सेट का दरवाजा तोड़ दिया।
मैं अंदर चूहे के साथ फंसी थी रूम में। मैं इतनी ऑब्सेस थी, मतलब मेरे रूम के बाहर चूहे रहते थे, तो जैसे मैं रूम के अंदर जाती थी मैं दरवाजा बंद कर देती थी क्योंकि आई यूज्ड टू गेट वेरी स्कैर्ड इफ यू लीव द डोर ओपन द रैट्स विल कम। एक दिन पता नहीं क्या हुआ, मैंने दरवाजा बंद किया, लॉक किया और देखा मेरे साथ चूहा है अंदर। और मैं बेड पे चढ़ी और मैं बेड पे चिल्लाने लगी और पागल हो गई। बाहर सारे फैंस खड़े थे, मोहित खड़ा था और किसी को कुछ पता नहीं कि हुआ क्या है रूम में। सना बस चिल्ला रही है और मैं बेड पे, चूहा बेड पे, दोनों जंप मारे और मोहित ने पूरा दरवाजा तोड़ दिया। आई स्वेयर मुझ में इतनी हिम्मत नहीं थी कि मैं वापस जाके
crazy
so he was like a proper hero style, he saved you ना।
हाँ मतलब he's like, उनको पता नहीं था कि हुआ क्या रूम में और मैं चिल्ला रही हूँ, बोल रही हूँ I will die, कोई खोलो, I will die। मतलब मुझे पता नहीं था मैं क्या करूँ। I thought जोर जोर से चिल्लाने से चूहा डर जाएगा, लेकिन चूहा तो डर नहीं रहा था।
चूहा से मर जाएगी सोचो, I will die।
You Sanaya worked with Amir Khan in Fana. So who's your favorite, Mohit or Amir Khan? Select.
Oh, obviously.
Why would Amir be my favorite?
No,
as in just randomly if you have to select as a Mohit, obviously.
As what?
Oh, as in
means what do you mean? Like who is?
As a friend, so obviously Mohit. Yeah.
Undoubtedly.
Okay, I think it's a little wrong question, no? Mohit has to be there everywhere.
So, yeah.
Oh, okay. And can we see that CD, please?
Yeah, we can, sure.
It's gonna be a big surprise for you. Yeah, it's really nice. The whole thing, yeah, it's damn nice. I really like it.
Does this laptop work?
Yeah, I asked
Your
you.
laptop works, na?
Yeah. What's wrong with it? हाँ दे दे सनाया को।
देना थोड़ा दलिया प्लीज। यार किशन मुझे सीखना था दलिया कैसे बनाए।
I think we should just go there because यहाँ पे लाइट पड़ रही है ना।
ऐसे रख ना, back to the light, नीचे बैठ के ऐसे रख।
Like this you do.
दिख रहा है?
See ना बहुत लाइट पड़ रहा है। हाँ?
I
What show properly? We should just go. We should just stand here, no? No?
Can you see?
Yeah, I can.
She can see.
Oh, there is no battery.
It's a beautiful picture.
हाँ मोहित ने खींचा था and he's obsessed with it. ऐसे ही
So one more thing he is obsessed with, photography.
Oh yes, he loves photography. हम set पे वो बस he would keep taking the still cameras, cameraman's camera and he'd keep clicking. तो ये ऐसे ही खींचा, मैं फोन पे थी और उसने फोटो खींचा.
Okay, where's the suit?
Now remember any favorite memory of yours during the MGHT times, like a very special memory or something.
पता नहीं कुछ था special?
What?
Any special moment on the sets, of the sets?
Special moment. I think the most special moment was the last day. जब हमारा
That's the most remembered day.
Yeah.
We feel.
I think. Yeah.
You know, and it's just that we feel sad. We miss all the people we used to work with. We still miss them. Like, I'm not meaning only actors. I'm meaning the entire unit, our director, our cameraman. So, just that we've had like wonderful moments with all these people.
Okay, I want to show you this picture. I think this is the best picture Sanaya can ever have.
Oh.
No, seriously. And I clicked it.
So everybody
It's
knows
so
your
pretty.
new obsession with photography now. But it's a very beautiful picture.
It's a very beautiful
Yeah.
picture. It's an amazing picture.
Okay, come on, put the CD.
Mwah!
मोहित का कंप्यूटर बहुत ही स्लो है, I must warn you.
मैंने सनाया को बोला नया लिया बिकॉज सनाया ने बोला कि नहीं उसमें भी कुछ नया आने वाला है, थोड़ा टाइम रुक जाओ। सो मैंने बोला ओके।
मुझको हर चीज खरीदना अच्छा लगता है, नया लेटेस्ट।
Okay, where is it?
Yeah, all 5. The first 2 are messages from fans. One is from Dolly and the other one from Pragya.
Hello,
Dolly?
a big thank you for doing videos for us and making for us. And I'm Dolly. I'd just like to thank you both from the very
This is Dolly from London?
Yeah.
Oh, Dolly! Oh!
and agreeing to do this video interview. We do have a few more messages which we have chosen to be played for you. While some of the fans have done it, some were too nervous to give their audio recording, I suppose. But we do have a few of them, and all the credit for these messages, compilation and putting them all together goes to the credit goes to Gayatri, our admin moderator, and to Gimme, who has helped in burning the CD. And of course, I would also like to tell you that Ashi and Pragya helped a lot in getting this interview together. And I hope you enjoyed watching all the video mixes and all
this was the latest one.
messages that are being put on the CD. And thank you once again, and hope we will continue to be in touch with each other for a long time to come. A happy new year to you, and God bless you both.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
so
I'd
much,
like to
Dolly.
say Dolly is very sweet.
She's very sweet. She always calls her.
Yeah, and
Yeah.
she's really sweet. Happy New Year to you too, and to
Yeah.
your
Wish you
entire
the
family
same.
and everybody.
Happy New Year.
Okay.
Next, this.
This is also a fan message.
Wow.
This is Pragya here. Firstly, wishing you both a happy new year. I want to say that I'm a big fan of you. I think you guys are one of the best actors today in the television. You both have really been an inspiration to me.